We're Ashleigh, Flynn, and the Riveters.
You're watching 101.9 KINK in the Bloodworks live studio.
Yeah, baby.
Child of barely 10, you started me from sleep, screaming out from your bed what troubles you so deep. Mother, dear mother, that sleep is not my fate. My dreams are rife with violent scenes that keeping me awake. Savage tales of minotaurs who ravage Maidenhead, sailors lost in tempest to keep me from my rest. How do I allay my fears to quell my weary head? I'll take up like Icarus, but fly away instead. I'll fly away, by my wings I'll fly away. I'll fly away someday soon. To the west I'll fly away, the horizon calls my name. I'll fly away someday soon. When the world is heavy and you need a little slack, lines of life are tugging tall, you've a monkey on your back. Your mind is full of sweeping storms, far from an even keel. Remember, it's the thoughts you think that color how you feel. I'll fly away, by my wings I'll fly away. I'll fly away someday soon. To the west I'll fly away, the horizon calls my name. I'll fly away someday soon. I would tell you that I'm sorry for all the silly things I've done. I would ask if you would like to come along and chase the tail of the sun.
Thank you all so much. Thanks to KINK. We appreciate being here.